Dear all, I, Dr. Shaminaz, will be reading a poem from my poetry anthology Rhythm of Peace. It is an anthology of anti-war poem in which many poets from around the world have contributed or they have raised their voice against the war, against the innocent being killed in these wars. So this is a book which I have edited with my student Tabassum, whom I have taught in master classes MA in English in SS Khanna Girls Degree College. So we have been witnessing that there are so many wars happening around the world in the current time. We have been seeing the Russian-Ukraine wars happening since 4 or 5 years. Then Gaza invasion of Israel, which is also more than 3 years, and which has resulted in the killing of more than 75,000 people, and Israel attacking Lebanon. Then American Israel attacking Iran and Iran counter attacking it, and there are so many countries which are being attacked in this course of war. So during these wars, many innocent lives have been lost, especially the lives of innocent children who are very young age. So we have witnessed the Minot school tragedy in which 168 children killed by the American missile. So this is a poem which is a tribute to these innocent lives. The title of this poem is It Hurts. It hurts. It hurts. Being human, it hurts. For every cry, for every tears, for every innocent blood. No matter it's Gaza, Sana'a or Tehran, Paris, Beirut or Baghdad, New York, Mumbai or Peshawar. No matter it's Hindus, Muslim, Jews or Christian. Being human, every heart bleeds. Why don't your hand shiver when you kill? Um, I don't know how people kill innocent life. And they don't have any fear, any regret about it. So, as a writer, it is also our duty to raise our voice against these war. We cannot do anything, but at least we can raise our voice against these war by writing, by protesting on various social media platform, and if possible by sending any types of humanitarian aids to them. Thank you.